Let's make some home remedies for dark black spots on face due to pimples and age. Now the time is to make a homemade remedy for dark spots and hyperpigmentation caused by sun exposure, heat and acne scars. This skincare routine will not only help to get rid of dark spots on the face but gives you a clear glowing skin naturally. The first ingredient we are going to use potato. Potato juice contains a vitamin B, vitamin C and potassium. It is really helpful for skin brightening, also remove excess oil and open up the clogged pores. It works wonderful on your skin. It will effectively fade dark patches and blemishes. The skin bleaching agents present in potato can help lighten dark spots related to skin freckles, sunspots, and melasma. We all know citrus fruit lemon juice is commonly suggested as skin lightening agent which effectively treat acne damage and freckles. They are packed with vitamin C. The upper layer of the skin is exfoliated by this ascorbic acid. After several months of regular use with these DIY home remedies, there will be the noticeable improvement in skin tone and texture. It will be considered among the best natural ways to make the best brown spots remover remedy. You have to use this twice a week. You can apply on your spots and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then you can rinse it off with normal water. Your skin will feel nice and smooth afterwards. Don't go out into the sun with lemon juice on your face. We all know aloe vera is a great moisturizer for skin. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin C and some antioxidants which really very helpful for acne and dry skin. Black spots and pigmentation are mainly due to sun exposure and age. And the best way to make your skin younger is to moisturize. And aloe vera has shown the best result to improve brown patches. The best way to take the gel out from the fresh leaf. You can apply it directly to the dark spots. It will fade your acne blemishes naturally. It also stimulates the production of collagen in the skin. So it will also a great wrinkle remover face mask if you apply routinely. Basically aloe vera contains aloin which acts as non-toxic hyperpigmentation treatment to lighten skin. We always suggest pure natural skin care to get rid of spots and marks from face. Turmeric is used for several home remedies since thousands of years. Wild turmeric is mainly used for cosmetic benefits. If you want a natural remedy for fairness and skin whitening, then turmeric can improve uneven skin tone and make your skin look bright. It gives natural glow to your face and skin. If you have irritated skin, then rose water is very good ingredient to apply. It is a great cleanser which removes oil and dirt accumulated in clogged pores. It can be used to lighten the skin pigmentation too. Also restores the pH balance of your skin. Rose water has soothing properties and can be used as an all-natural skin toner. We will suggest you to follow this 2 steps as shown on your dark area. You can apply 2 to 3 alternative days in a week. You will notice the improvements within weeks naturally. You can ask your queries in the comments section below.